My name is Wessel. I work at 93X Radio in Minneapolis, and it's been a year since I first came to HRI and got my hair transplant done. So a little over a year ago, I had kind of known deep down that it was getting to a point where I needed to do something with my hair. I kind of lost myself a little bit. I wasn't sure of myself anymore. I was always self-conscious about my hair. I was always buying new hats. I was always trying to part it in a way so maybe I could try to hide it, but I wasn't fooling anybody, and I could definitely feel it. A good friend who is blunt and straight up told me, he goes, "Wes, man, you gotta do something here, pal. You gotta make a decision." And thankfully, the decision I made is I went with HRI, and I feel like a whole new person a year later with my whole new hairdo. I'm glad I trust my hair procedure at HRI because I did my research, I looked up all the reviews, I talked to some friends who have been here before, and I've never heard any bad thing about this place, and I can tell you that is absolutely true. The entire experience from the initial consultation, they made me feel so comfortable. They stay in touch with me after the procedure has been done. I really feel like I'm a part of the family here at HRI. The recovery process after the day-long procedure was actually very simple. I was back at work the very next morning, and after that, it was just kind of like almost exciting because I knew every day from here on out, my hair is gonna keep looking better and better. I feel much better about myself. You can even just see it in my face, how I'm just radiating with confidence with my new hair. The advice I would give to any young person out there who's thinking about maybe they want to look into options or knowing down the line that their hair is thinning, I'd say get a consultation. Come on in, it's a free consultation. They'll go over your options. There are more options than you think there are other than just hair transplants.